Okay, that's 15 seconds. You guys have room? Yeah. You guys have room? Let's go, Johnny. May room ka? Kaya pa? Okay lang, ikaw dyan?
Medyo i-move siguro natin papunta doon to the side.
Can you guys move a little bit to your right?
Yeah.
We can get close to the pool. As close to the pool. Yeah, as close to the pool.
Yan. Kalinya tayo. Magkalinya kayo ni Seichi Kevin. Yan. Yan. Okay?
Kaya? Fama, you can see it? Johnny, you're okay? You're clear?
Start na tayo?
You tayo kami,
tanggalin natin yung mga...
Yeah.
Later. Okay na ba, kuya?
15 seconds.
Okay na yun.
Classmates, dali. Ito na ang final run.
Okay ba? Tanggalin lang po namin yung ano.
Looks like a little area on it.
Tanggalin muna ang inyong lapel.
Yay. Kuya, tanggalin lang din namin yung mga... Kailangan ako magsasalit. Floaters.
Kumanda na.
Alam po.
Guys, get in your lines. Back here. Kuya.
Tanggalin ng lapel. Wait, kuya.
Oop. Alright.
Huwag niyong kalimutan yung 10 seconds na pose dun sa dulo at yung 15 seconds sa final pose nyo.
Yes, kuya.
Stand by.
I don't know, that was there. We all here, get in your line, get in your line, get in your line.
Pag narinig nyo ang pagpapatugtog ko ng music, yun ang start. Ready?
Utang na loob.